If you follow several WhatsApp channels, their photos, videos, and other media can quickly take up valuable storage on your phone. WhatsApp has introduced a new feature that allows you to clear media files from a channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use this new feature. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Under the Channels section, find the channel you want to remove media from, then tap it to open. Now, tap the channel name at the top of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom, and you will find the new update called Clear Media Files. If you don't see this option, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it. WhatsApp will now show you how much storage videos, GIFs, and photos from that channel are using, and these files are already selected for removal. If you also want to remove your stored media, make sure to select Clear Stored Media. Finally, tap Clear Media at the bottom to remove the selected media files. You'll then see a confirmation message indicating that the selected media has been cleared from the channel. This feature helps you quickly free up phone storage by removing unwanted media from a WhatsApp channel without leaving the channel. So that's how you can clear media files from WhatsApp channels.